welcome back to another Kids Craft Corner with the Hoka-Ellington Memorial Library. My name is Miss Laura and today we're making our spoon butterfly craft. So in your craft kit that you picked up from the library, you have our instructions, a piece of cardstock, a plastic spoon, a pipe cleaner, some sticker eyes, and glue dots. The only other things that you'll need today are a pair of scissors and then any markers or crayons that you want to use to decorate your butterfly with. Alright, so our first step is we're going to take our piece of cardstock and we're going to fold it in half. And we're going to cut out a heart shape out of this. So we're going to hold it on our fold. That's going to be the bottom of our heart. We're going to take our scissors. Shape. And you see we want to leave the bottom of our heart nice and flat because when we open it up, that's where our wings are connected. We want to make sure that they've got enough room to still be connected there. So once again, I just folded my cardstock in half, held it on my fold, and cut out a little heart shape to make my wings. Alright, so the next step that we're going to do is keep our heart shape folded, our wings, and we're going to cut two slits through our folded part. So we're just going to cut one, and then come down a little bit, and cut a second. So now when we open up our wings, there they are, and we've got that slit cut out for when we're ready to put in our spoon. But before we do that, we're going to take some time to decorate our wings however we want. So this is where you can use markers, crayons, stickers, glitter, whatever you've got around the house. If you want to decorate your wings, you can go ahead and do that. Decorated, we're ready to move on to the final steps of creating our butterfly. So we're going to slide our spoon down into our slit that we made. So I'm going to slide it, and I'm actually going to turn it around so that the right side of the spoon is facing backwards, so that this kind of more curved out part of the spoon is facing forward. I'm going to slide that down to make our head and our body of our butterfly. Now I'm going to take my sticker eyes and put them on my spoon to make my butterfly's face. Alright, and then last thing, we're going to take our pipe cleaner and we can fold it in half. We're going to use a glue dot, or if you want to use tape or glue that you have at home, hot glue, whatever you want. We're going to tape our pipe cleaner to the back of our butterfly's head to be the antenna. And you can take these, you can kind of make them curly Q or whatever shape you want for your butterfly's antennas. So there is our spoon butterfly. Again, you can do whatever you want for decoration. If you have a permanent marker, you can make a mouth. If you want to do some other more decorations to the wings, you can certainly do that as well. So we really hope you enjoyed our craft this week, and make sure that you tune in on Wednesday for our virtual preschool story time that's going to be all butterfly themed. Alright, we hope you enjoyed Kids Craft Corner, and we'll see you next week. Bye friends!